welcome to ZAARA'S world. Today we are going to do practice book 3A. Please turn to page 30. Comparing numbers to 1000. 1A. Which number is greater? Now this is 348 and 251. The greatest is for 348. Which is the smaller number? Now they given 367 and 382. This time we have to find the smaller number. So this is the smaller number. We will write here. Question number 2A. Circle the numbers that are less than 430. So here this is less, so we can write 53 somewhere here and 170 somewhere here and 340 maybe like this place. So let's start circling those numbers. B. Circle the numbers that are greater than 285. Now, I can circle this because it is more than 285. But can I circle this? No, I can't. This is less than 285. But can I circle this? Yes, I can. It is one more than 285. So this, no, I can't. The both are same, but still I can't circle. But 300, yes, I can. It is more than 285. 29, no, it is less than 285. But 1000, yes, I can circle. This is 129 and this is 210. 210 is greater than 129. So we will put like this. 97 is smaller than 970. This 320 is greater than 309. 1000 is bigger than 718. This is 426 and this is also 426. So they both are equal. 4. Fill in the boxes to make the statements true. 565 is greater than 500 blank 5. So we can put any number below 6. So I will put 4. You can put any number you like. 565 less than 506 and blank. We can put any number above it because this mark is greater. So we will put I will put 8. 104 40 4 blank. Okay, this is smaller number. So we will put 140. Okay, this is bigger number. So we should put more than that. We will put 2 here and then we'll put 6 here. Okay, now 300 blank 7. We should put any number below 8. I will put 5 in here and here I will put 9. Here this is equal, so I can put here any this one any number and this one any number. But here they give 6, so I also can write 6 here. 3 3. And now in the hundreds I can put like 400 900 and blank 1. Okay. Here this is one clue. We can write any number less than 5. I will put 3. Okay. And now here we should write, I will write 9. Okay. And here I will write 931 is smaller than 951. Rina, Amelia and Zach each think of a 3-digit number. Rina says, my number has 4 hundreds in it. Zach says, my number is 480. Amelia says, my number has 300 in it and 6 digits. Circle the child who has the greatest number. This is the answer. Circle it. Because we don't know Rina's tens and ones, it could be more than 418 or less than 418. Circle the child who has the smallest number. Rima's number and Zach's number start with 400, but Amelia's number starts with 300. So she must be the one who has the smallest number. Circle it. Ordering numbers to 1000. 1. Here are 3 towers and their heights. A is 225 meters tall. B is 256 meters tall. C is 180 meters tall. Put the heights in order. Start with the shortest. First, C is the shortest. So I will mark 180. Next one is 225. Then the tallest is 256. 2. Alex has 4 numbers. He is putting them in order. Put the numbers in order from smallest to greatest. Let's start writing. These are 4 jars of coins. Let's fill the blanks. Put the jars in order of numbers of coins. Start with the jar that has the greatest number of coins. Number 4. Order these number sets of numbers. Start with the smallest number.